Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. We're going to use the Theraband today, and we're going to strengthen the wrist with pronation. Now, pronation is to take your wrist and go out like this. So it kind of uses the elbow and the wrist when you do pronation. So you're going to be strengthening the wrist and the elbow when you do this. What you're going to do next, you're going to take the Theraband and put it around your foot to get the tension that you're looking for. I'm just going to go with the weakest tension just so I can show you. The cool thing about Therabands is, if you grab the end, it's going to be really easy to pull. But you can just choke up on it real easy and you get some extra tension. So I'm going to start in supination, and I'm going to just basically rotate my wrist so that I go into pronation. And we go back and forth like this. Try to stabilize the forearm if you feel like your forearm's coming up off your leg. But you just want to strengthen the rotation here is basically what you're doing. And you do that about 10 times and do 3 sets of that. So thanks for watching this video. I'm your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.